Monday, Monday. Lunes, Tuesday, Tuesday. Martes, Wednesday, Wednesday. Miércoles, Thursday, Thursday. Jueves, Friday, Friday. Viernes, Saturday, Saturday. Sábado, Sunday, Sunday. Domingo. Ahora práctica. When will we go to church? ¿Cuándo iremos a la iglesia? We will go to church on Sunday. Iremos a la iglesia el domingo. When will we go on vacation? ¿Cuándo iremos de vacaciones? We will go on vacation on Friday. Iremos de vacaciones el viernes. When is the family meeting? ¿Cuándo es la reunión familiar? The family meeting is on Thursday. La reunión familiar es por jueves. What day is it today? ¿Qué día es hoy? Today is Tuesday. Hoy es martes. Tomorrow is Wednesday. Mañana es miércoles. Yesterday was Monday. Ayer fue lunes.